Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So Crystal lost a bet, so today we are doing her recipe called chocolate peanut butter cereal treat. Okay Crystal, what is our first step?
Okay, you see those Honey Nut Cheerios there?
Yep.
I see those commercials for that on TV all the time, don't you?
Yep, I do.
Alright, so we're gonna layer a nice generous layer of that on the bottom.
Okay.
And we'll be right back after we do that.
Alright, Honey Nut Cheerios are in. What's next?
My favorite. You're gonna take half that bag of chocolate chips.
Alright, so we have some Ghirardelli, milk chocolate chips. But you can use whatever kind of chocolate chips you want, right Crystal?
Yes.
You said half the bag?
Yeah.
All right, the chocolate chips are in and this is looking good. And I just want to make a quick side note that we sprayed our pan really well so we don't end up with this being stuck in the pan. But we made sure to spray it away from Crystal because a while back we were doing a video and she ended up going into a sneezing fit and we had to stop filming until that cleared up. All right, so what is our next step?
Okay, you see that peanut butter?
Yep.
We're gonna take half that peanut butter.
All right.
And layer that on.
All right. All right, the peanut butter is on and this is looking really good. What is our next step, Crystal?
Can you show me the marshmallow packet for a second?
Yeah.
Does it look big, medium?
Yeah, I mean, they're big marshmallows.
Marshmallows?
Yeah, this is how big the marshmallows are, and there's about probably 15, no. Yeah, probably about 15.
Okay, that's perfect.
Should we put all of them on?
Yes.
All right. All right, the marshmallows are on. We have about 12 of those big marshmallows. These are stuffed puffs, chocolate on chocolate, which I haven't tried before, but they look and sound delicious, so I'm really excited about that.
Okay, now we have to go away for a few minutes because we have to prepare the next step. We'll see you guys in a bit.
All right, so we have our melted chocolate and peanut butter here. This is one of my favorite flavor combinations, so I'm really excited about this. And we're going to drizzle that over the top. All right, that is on and this looks really good. All right, so we have our oven preheated to 375 and we're going to put a lid on this and put it in for about, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll see you then. All right, here it is. So we had it in the oven for 15 minutes with the lid on, and then 10 minutes with it off. And then we took it out and we let it rest on the counter for 15 minutes. And now we are ready to cut it. All right, so here is our piece we cut out. And it looks so yummy, so ooey gooey and melty. I can't wait to give this a try, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming your way that you're not gonna wanna miss, and we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania. Bye guys.